grew Ghana for ana. Who dear one grana? Oh, what is this? What is it? Tia de mammy bio, Mako apiate, Missy apiate bogos apiate blast nesi, 2 weeks money away. Oh, fena report waba. Victims no say, Bessine, paracetamol crom one eto. Oh, tell me someone's I'm not saying that is your job, dear, your duty, dear. But I mean, Anka, this is the time a parliament and then you are pushing the minister. Hey, minister, report on why minister. In the meantime, who is checking the people? One extra victims, so one extra so how many times somebody is monitoring to make sure say or more prano, what did it 3 times a day? And so on Benum, paracetamol, somebody is checking. There be. Now we have the men, e-cake men, We have the men, Adani e-cake. No. I mean, it's sad. It's sad. You see, because when another you see that before you know the president for the creating party, and you go and cause a blunder like this. This is a classic example of the course of UK now saying, you almost prime minister. Ono akache obia se monye a party mo bia nkwa abonten COVID-19 Omicron virus no trend into mo obia hwe no ye na ono prime minister na koye party. And if we look at said the British MPs wo mo fire papa no pa in parliament na Ghana de che say we are making say kohwe wo be di matema to thy kingdom come na me I don't care if I'm hokra what you say. And we can't continue to do that because Ghana that China make us say Malaysia for dream outside the box. Ghana no ye confirm yema free Malaysia $131 million 2019 pay. And yema ye imported from Malaysia animal vegetable vegetable no Malaysia for be far first vegetable oil. I saw animals or see importing animals. Just say nam ye imported free Malaysia vegetable fats and oils. Malaysia for befa abe wo Ghana omo de koye no ye ko import it free Malaysia so ye John you see ye John so on to the bia the entire me fire bebre no ye John ye na ye kire Malaysia for said ye tumi ye de abe ye dua abe no and ye no ye ko import it abe nwo any anwa different types from Malaysia $131 million ye John Afei, or see machinery, nuclear reactors, boilers near the eco imported fuel, soap. Semana, so ya de enguya near the semana, engu, ya de semana. Miswa, papa be or th uncle, but some papa, who cooked them to no be any manco, uncle Yanko Ponchao, uncle angui or the year semana. Uncle the yes semana, come to now be any papa way or the yes semana. Malaysia for the yes semana, my ye imported semana from Malaysia, lubricants, waxes, snake candles, waxing Asufia Beno, and on 1 year waxing. And one ubeti de yebi. And iron and steel, plastics, electrical equipment, fertilizers, cry you imported from Malaysia. Fertilizers, you imported from Malaysia. Dairy products, eggs, honey, Lexus, mini abema Lexus, or Germany will be for no Ghana any abanti oko school no. On what be a poultry farm or Ghana nkosuane poultry products Ghana. Ghana no ko import eggs, honey. John cry ko imported from Malaysia and dairy product eggs, honey, any you imported 1.82 million. 1.82 million for Malaysia. Rubber, you imported 1.77 million for Malaysia. Maybe other product, artificial steel, bird skin, feather, leather keke, human hair, yeah, mad you to cry imported. Abra leather, you bet very good, Kumasi for your million paboy, or multimedia pabo, you imported in this is sad.
All the big business people that were doing good at that time, this man called Rollins didn't see them worthy. Oh, yeah, or science so crack or yeah, then state institutions say schools are here, correct schools, University of Winnipeg, the idea in Nano. The same Rollins said, and I quote Rollins, or say, Obia Onima Diabiano or a threat to society. So do you know why NDC is always against free education? Because obi a onima de no untumi mbɔ no krono. Is somebody getting it? Rollins say obi a onima de bia no or ye threat to society. Says Anna Rollins say kadia. Name the me make throw the entire Rollins cars and because Rollins nim say kwase ani tia agro be den ebegu. Rollins nim say senkrofo tumi suasua de ka brofo to say de no kana or ba no be twan tora afi de ye ntie accent ne nko a ye mentie the deliverables or de ba no na ya jeji nti no he made sure say o close to education services in Ghana. Na areho semwa a woman say ya papa Rollins may he so rest in peace if there is peace where he is. Oh yes, I never win now. No, there are but the same woman say. Or no, ne madie. Won't you Ghana for? They be a me bejina kasa sometime mama me ni pabone. Or no, ne madie. Or to me ye Ghana for sika. Ebiomu koko schools were brochire. Ghana International School Association International. They say grade jama and said that papa bio. Jack and Jill. Correct schools for the same person who claim educating people was a threat to society. So he chased away all our academians. Academia for and come to me, yeah, the policy bar, and come to me at Tremnan Crawford Tiasiano. Rollins nim say, Omo Betra, dear Munan Crawford, who dear continue, or Tatas and Crawford. And this is a fact. Then the same Rollins takes money, educates all his kids. Rollins baby and who one go school. Nana Credo Ajima Rollins, no. Nemba be and who one go school and do the highest level. Me cannot say we're back for 31st December Women's Movement. We're back for Veranda Boys. We're back for Kwashe Boys. We're back for Erika Pomia. Kubola life for yan NDC for some mobile. Now, some of you can get this for Jay. Me pa joma wa dia da me ko wi. And na dia brochire nti afele kakra. Your friend Rollins chain. Me pa jo nim de nti a omo friend Rollins chain no. Metro mu 1990 man mu ntie nyansa. Ya papa Rollins ba ye no. No say or no bema obia die we sikani o we yan you become equal. But on they be make us a critical thinking on a hard Ghana for because me papa and I know ka say hwewonsa we enie 5 but ni na anya pe na onyankopon so a obo na de no onim ne enti o ma bi e tintin and e bi etietia. He knows the reason why. And to so be ba catch us so betimi amasansa we ni na ye pa si no who e ye tro. But that time no ni nim. That time no ne ye nim. Obi osi ono aba said ye be ye aduane bebu. Obi osi ono aba said ye be ye obi abedi ye obi abeye level no. Okono jaye Rollins chain. Rollins okono 1983 84 for no. Ye ni na ye ayewo ye that time ni na mema ni bebire ye nya akosoko mi say na me ka ho. Ye ayewo ye that time no. Ye ba ye kosoko so the kosoko ba